My name's James Draper. I am the maintenance area leader at Plastcoat. Plastcoat is a division of Magna. We have about 40 injection molding machines. We produce car parts for the automotive industry. Before we implemented the Power Radar program, we were having a ton of different breakdowns, different issues throughout our plant. More or less with our maintenance department, it was like a firefighting kind of area. You would react to the machines breaking instead of with the system now. I can currently see all of our issues up and coming. We're able to attend the machines and prevent any major downtimes, which in the long run produces more parts with less downtime, less wear and tear on our machines. Some of our first finds were the thermolators. We're now able to determine a year and a half in advance before a thermolator actually goes bad. We're able to get to these thermolators and fix them and repair them without any additional cost. Over the last few years that we've been using the Power Radar, we've been able to save a numerous amount of money. It has to be close to $2 million we've been able to reduce our energy cost.